Jason!
Oh, hello! Hello. My name is Teacher Jason and welcome to Cheerful Kids weather forecast. So today I'm going to tell you about the weather in different countries. Our teachers have travelled around the world. Let's see what the weather's like in Japan. So Teacher Ashley, Elsa, who are you today? So what's it like in Japan?
Everything's beautiful around here, Japan. Everything's fine. There's lots to see, lots to do, and the weather's been good.
Are you okay? Are you safe?
Yeah, I'm okay. Everything's fine. Everything's well. It just rains rocks sometimes, and raining rock, maybe it hurts a little bit, but it's all good. All fine. No worry. Rocks here, rocks there. It's always raining.
Stay safe. And let's go to Teacher Elise over in London. Teacher, huh? Are you Teacher Elise or Anna? I'm so confused. Okay, so Teacher Elise or Anna, whoever you are, what's it like in London right now?
Hey! Yeah, London is a very beautiful weather right now. I'm just under the bridge, under the London Bridge, reading my favorite book and enjoying my tea. It needs sugar! Goodness. Ow! Who did that? That hurt! No, you come here! You! Okay, sorry, I'm back. Someone threw a sweet at me and that hurt. Oh, what kind of sweet is this? This one is a strawberry sweet. Ooh, I also like melon sweet, watermelon sweet, ooh, apple sweet, orange sweet, ooh, sweets. I like all kinds of sweets. This is perfect for my tea. Okay.
Well, it looks nice over there.
Yeah, I'm just drinking tea. It's raining. It's raining sweets. Oh no! I need to run. It's raining sweets.
Anna, be careful what you wish for. So, let's go and see what Teacher Jason is doing in Hong Kong. Wait a minute, I'm Teacher Jason. What? Okay. Hey Olaf, how are you doing, Olaf? Yeah, so Olaf in Hong Kong. What's it like in Hong Kong? What are you doing in Hong Kong?
Me? I love Hong Kong. Hong Kong is amazing. I can't wait for the snow to come. It's going to snow. It's going to snow. Wait, it's going to snow.
Olaf, it doesn't snow in Hong Kong.
Yes, it will. It really will snow in Hong Kong. It will snow in Hong Kong. It really will snow in Hong Kong. Really? Snow. Just wait for the snow. Snow and Sumai. Think about it. There's going to be snow. Snow. It's going to snow. It's going to... Look.
Hong Kong has never seen snow.
Look. Snow. Snow. I told you. Snow. Yay, snow.
So when Elsa was in Japan, it was raining rocks. So now we're going to be talking about the word rock. So what do we have with rock? We have 4 letters but 3 sounds. Rock, rock. Alright, so first we have red robot that says Oscar orange that says and then we have 2 letters 1 sound, which is CK, clever cat and kicking king. Then together they say k. Only 1 sound, k. So together, rock, rock. So again in Japan, when Elsa was there, it was raining rocks. So when Anna was trying to enjoy her tea, it wasn't sweet enough. And then it started raining sweets. Oh my. Here we have the word sweet. We have Sammy Snake that says Walter Morris says And then we have the two vowel men out walking together that says E. Why? Because we have the first letter that does all the talking and the second letter out looking for robots. And then we have talking test that says T. And together it reads sweet. Sweet. Now you try. Go.
Can you believe it? Olaf made it snow in Hong Kong. That's right, snow in Hong Kong. Here we are going to talk about the word snow. So in the word snow, we have 4 letters but only 3 sounds. What are those sounds? Sammy Snake, who makes the sound S. Noisy Nick, who makes the sound N. And then we got Mr. O and Walter Walrus. They make one sound, which is O. That's because Walter Walrus wants to splash Oscar Orange. But who looks after all of the oranges in Letterland? Mr. O. And he scares Walter Walrus by saying, "Oh no you don't, oh, oh, oh." So together they make the sound O. Snow. Snow. I wish it really did snow in Hong Kong. That would be so cool, right? Bye bye. So I hope you enjoyed our video. If you want to find out more about what you learned today,
Click here or click here.
see you next time.
Bye.
Bye bye.